Hi class, ito yung second part ng parabola natin. So, ito yung properties ulit. So, listo natin. Gagamitin ko yung shortcut para mabilis, syempre. So, opening. Yan. So, since y, yung naka-squared, is either opens to the left or to the right. Yan. So, paano malalaman kung left or right? Pag positive yung factor, yan, yung naka-multiply to the right yan. Pag negative yung factor, left yan. So, since positive yan, it opens to the right. Yan. Vertex. So, ang vertex natin, same pa rin, xy. Yan. xy. Change mo lang ng sign, positive 6. Magiging negative 6. Positive 5. Gawin mo lang negative 5. Yan. Ay, gawin ko mo pink para ano. Balance. Yan. Next natin, ito yung mga hindi kailangan i-solve ha. Axis of symmetry. So, dito, since y yung naka-square natin, ang axis of symmetry natin, yung naka-squared. Yun lagi yung naka-squared. So, yung y naka-squared, so ang axis of symmetry natin, y equals j isang sign. J isang sign. So, magiging negative 5. Minimum or maximum value. Since positive to, ito positive minimum pag negative maximum. So, minimum value sa x equals negative 6 or negative 6. Yan. Length of latus rectum kung gaano kahaba yung chord. Ito yan. Yan yung 4p. So, positive 1/2 units. Yeah. So, ito yung mga parts na hindi mo na kailangan i-solve. Doon tayo sa focus saka directrix. Kasi yun yung kailangan mo solve. Yun yung kailangan ng 4P eh. Ng P pala P. So, focus saka directrix. So, since open to the right yan, ang magiging directrix is sa likod. Yan. Then, kung vertical, then ang equation yan is x equals something. Equation. So, meaning sa directrix natin, ano yan? X equation yan. Then, yung focus natin, x yung mag-change, yung y, ganun pa rin, y pa rin, na nasa vertex, so negative 5. So, formula ng focus, since x yung nawawala, h plus p. Laging plus ang focus. Sa directrix naman natin is h minus p. So, since wala tayong p, kunin natin yung value ng 4p. Kasi ang standard equation yan is y minus k squared equals 4p x minus h. Diba? So, yung coefficient ito, siya yung pinaka 4p. So, 4p equals 1/2. So, solve for the value of p, cross multiply. So, p is equal to 1/8. Yan. So, substitute natin. So, ano ba yung h? Yung h. hp. So, h is negative 6. So, negative 6 plus 1/8. So, gagawin dyan, cross multiply, then follow the sign. 8 times negative 6 is negative 48. Negative 48 plus 1 is negative 47/8. Yan. Yung sa ano naman, sa directrix naman, negative 6 minus yung p. Yung p natin is 1/8. So, ganun din. Cross multiply then follow the sign. So, 8 times negative 6 is negative 48. Negative 48 minus 1 is negative 49/8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. So, complete na yung natin, properties ng parabola natin. So, check mo lang kung tama yung answer natin. Yan. So, vertex, tama. Axis of symmetry, y equals negative 5, tama. Kailangan may y yan. Equation yan eh. Equation ng line. Focus, negative 47, 8, negative 5, tama. Directrix, negative 49/8. Sa x yung focus, directrix natin. Open to the right. Minimum value, negative 6. Lahat ng rectum, 1/2 units. Yan. So, tama lahat. Okay. So, doon tayo sa second example. Yan. Second example, x plus 4 equals y plus 10 squared. So, doon tayo sa ano muna, sa um, tawag dito. Wait lang, tignan ko nga yung first example. Positive pala, no? So, ito, positive din. Sige, aya ko na nga lang. So, y yung naka-square, so is either open to the right or open to the left. Since positive yan, yung y natin, and yung coefficient dito, yan, yung coefficient pala positive, yan, walang multiplier, opening yan, opening is the right. Yan, ito yung tsura niyan, nakaganon. Yan. Vertex natin, ito, negative 4, tsaka negative 10. Sir, para sure, kunyari, walang katabi yun, kunyari, wala to. Kung sakali wala yan, so ang vertex natin is 0, negative 10. Kung walang katabi. Yan. Since may katabi, yan. Next natin, axis of symmetry. So, ang axis of symmetry yung naka-squared. Yan. So, y yun, di ba? So, y equals positive 10, magiging negative 10. Since wala siyang multiplier, ito, wala siyang multiplier, so minimum value yan, x negative 4 or negative 4 na lang. Length of lattice rectum, sure, wala naman 4p eh. Since wala multiplier, understood na yun na 1 unit. Yeah, then solve natin yung focus sa directrix. Since open to the right yan, so ang directrix is naka-vertical line or x. So meaning, ang directrix natin, x equation. Then yung focus natin, yung x yung mag-change, yung y pa rin yung negative 10. So formula niyan is h plus p. Ang focus lagi plus p. Ang directrix h minus p. Yan. So, ang 4p natin, wait lang, alis ko ba itong mga bilog-bilog? Yan. Ang 4p natin, yung multiplier nito, since wala siyang multiplier, di ba? Walang parenthesis. Automatic yun, 1. Yeah, so remove natin yung 4. Divide both side by 4. So, p natin is 1/4. Yeah, so, substitute natin sa given natin. So, yung h natin is negative 4 plus 1/4. So, ganun din. Cross multiply din, follow the sign. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 plus 1 is negative 15 over 4. So, yung denominator naman yung directrix naman natin, denominator tuloy. Yung directrix natin is negative 4 minus naman 1/4. So, cross multiply. So, 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 minus 1 is negative 17 over 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan lang yun. Kaya naman. Dali lang naman. Practice lang talaga. Yung ano lang talaga class, yung axis of symmetry, kailangan naka yan. Equation ng line, y equals something. Yan, naka yan eh, naka-horizontal. Yung, ano pa ba? Yung directrix natin, yan, naka-vertical line naman yan. So, kailangan may x equals negative 17. Pag ang answer nyo, negative 17 over 4 lang, mali yun. Pag ang answer nyo sa axis of symmetry, negative 10 lang, mali yun. Kailangan may y, may variable kung saan siya mag-add, kung saan siya mag-fall. Yan, check natin kung tama yung answer natin. Yan, so vertex, negative 4, negative 10, tama. Axis of symmetry, negative 10, tama. Y equals negative 10. Minimum value, negative 4, 4. LLR, 1 unit. Yan, 1 unit. Kailan may label unit. Focus natin, negative 15 over 4, tsaka negative 10. Yan, tama to. Third list natin, negative 17 over 4. Sorry, x equals negative 17 over 4. Open to the right, open to the right. So, yan, tama naman lahat yan. Kung sakaling may negative dito, for example, ito. Kung sakaling may negative yan, example, negative 4, ang opening niyan is left, tapos ano lang, magbabago lang dito sa opening, magiging left, magbabago lang sa minimum, magiging dapat maximum yan. Ganun lang yung magiging difference. Pero the rest, same lang naman. Since 8 minutes pa lang, bro, bigyan na ako ng example ko. Wait lang, tago ko lang itong answer at yung given. Yan, bigyan ako sa sarili ko example. Na negative kasi wala tayong example na negative eh. Example natin, y minus 11 squared equals negative 4. Yan, para negative. Tapos, x minus 5. Yan. So, dun tayo sa mga given na hindi na kailangan computin. Opening. So, since negative to, tapos naka-y yan, left. Yan. Axis of symmetry. Yung naka-squared. Ito yung naka-squared. So, y equals negative 11, magiging positive 11. Length of latus rectum. Negative 4 to, gagawin nyo lang positive 4. So, magiging 4 units. Absolute value kasi. Vertex pala, sorry. Vertex, x muna ha, x bago y. So, x natin magiging 5, y natin magiging 11. Opening. Ito pala opening, sorry. Nandiyan na pala. So, opening, axis of symmetry, length of latus rectum. Minimum or maximum value. Since negative yan, maximum value yan, nasa 5. Yan. Then, solve natin yung ano na lang, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung focus, saka directrix. Yan. Since open to the left yan, left, ang directrix yan nasa likod, yan, line. So, vertical yan, so nasa, ano yan, x. So, x equals something. So, sa focus, yung x magbabago, yung y, ganun pa rin. So, ito yung y, 11. So, h plus P. Ito naman H minus P. So, paano yung P? So, yung 4P natin, ito yan, ito yung 4P, negative 4. So, divide both side by 4, cancel, P is equal to negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. Then, substitute natin. So, yung H natin is 5. So, 5 plus negative 1. So, 5 plus negative 1 is 4. Ito naman, 5 minus negative 1. So, negative times negative is positive. 5 plus 1 is 6. Yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, yun eh. Yan na yung paggawa or paghanap ng mga properties. Mag-aral na mabuti kung may tanong. Panoorin nyo na ulit kung may tanong. Yan. Thank you.